Hello everyone, today we're cooking spaghetti with garlic and the surprise tomato on top. Traditional style spaghetti with garlic. And our intro will be partially in Italian. We got a pan with some olive oil. Ciao a tutti, cucinare gli spaghetti con aglio. Sarà molto delizioso. Soffriggio di aglio su del marrone, su aglio del marrone. Metti sale negli spaghetti. Okay, so it looks pretty much done. I tried one. It's basically al dente. Also, I put some fresh tomatoes right in there, and I let them heat up a little with the garlic. I let them cook for about 3 minutes, so they're basically almost ready to pop. I'm gonna put the pasta right with that and just saute it just together for a few minutes to give it some flavor. Cooking it up, getting some of that flavor. I like my garlic brown, cooked up a little bit. I don't like it too, I like it very cooked. And what's going to happen to these tomatoes when you open them up is just going to be like natural warm sauce right over the pasta. And I think what it needs is definitely some fresh pepper, and that should be good. Let's see how that looks. Mangia e divertiti. Ciao! This is good. That's delicious.